Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locating the offending posts and gathering proof. Open each video, note timestamps and usernames. This helps when reporting patterns. Once done, tap the three dots, select Report, and pick the accurate reason: harassment, nudity, or misinformation, because specificity speeds review. Make sure to check your privacy and comment settings now so new bad videos surface less. Also save examples to a private collection. That record helps if you need to escalate to support or platform appeals. Next, you reduce reach and invite platform enforcement. After reporting, immediately restrict or block repeat offenders so they can't interact with you. That stops direct harassment. Then, use keyword filters to mute common triggers and remove tags that amplify the content. Once done, limit who can reply to your posts and enable manual comment review so you control future exposure. If the video is being reshared widely, report each repost. Multiple reports on the same content increase enforcement odds. Finish by monitoring outcomes and preparing to escalate if needed. Check the report status. If nothing changes within 48-72 hours, submit a detailed report, a problem with your saved examples and timestamps so reviewers see the pattern. If that fails, contact business or verified support channels and document every interaction. One troubleshooting tip: if your reports are ignored, gather evidence, send a concise appeal, and consider platform-specific escalation paths. This persistence often triggers manual review.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.